Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome back to my channel. You can find me at craftybestlife.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in Somerset, England, and today we're going to make this card here. For some reason the beginning didn't record, so I have done quite a bit already, but I'll show you what I've got. So this one is petal pink, copper foil paper, Joyous Noel DSP, and the deer from the Dashing Deer stamp set, which I will show you. Excuse me. So we've used this majestic creature here, and then he's been cut out with this large die. I'll put that back out of the way. And then I've used, to make these, I've used the stitched shaped framelets and the oval, layering oval framelets, and they've got a straight edge or a scalloped edge, so I've used the largest scalloped one for that, and the largest stitched shaped framelit, and then that one I've used the third smallest stitch shaped framelit and scalloped oval. I took my glimmer paper from the middle of this piece I've just stuck down when it wasn't recording, and I've added the Joyous Noel DSP over the top. So this one is a slightly more masculine version, so I haven't put the flowers on like I've put over here. So we'll just finish popping this together. So first of all, I'm going to glue this onto the top of the card. Find the middle. And then I've got my deer in triangle tied. I've put some small dimensionals on its antlers and head, and then the normal sized ones on his back, so we'll pop them off. Got a little pot over here now, so they go in there. And I've got a gluey finger, so now the back ends are sticking to me. Ha! So we'll pop him up here like so, and then we'll put the sentiment on some dimensionals. And I've dropped them on the floor. Ha! Never mind. Everything ends up on the floor in my craft space. So there is the sentiment, and that's the finished card. So there we go. Same card in two different colourways. One's slightly more feminine and a more of a masculine kind of card. All the products I've used today are available in my online store, which I will link below. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a like and leave me a comment, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.